Good morning, all of you. Hope you all are fine, beta. Let's move on to further rules of narration, that is interrogative sentences. Over here, let's do have rule one number one. Reporting verb is changed into ask or inquire of, and if or whether is used as linking word. कहते बेटा सेड टू किस में हो जाएगा, आस्क्ड या फिर इंक्वायर्ड में हो जाएगा, और जो आप कंजंक्शन दैट लगाते थे सिंपल सेंटेंसेस में, नाउ इट विल बी रिप्लेस्ड विद इफ और वेदर. डू डज एंड डिड आर ओमिटेड, इनका बेटा हम डू डज और डिड को क्या कर देंगे, यूज़ नहीं करेंगे अपने इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में. द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज़ यूज आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट. आपका जो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब होती है, आपकी जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होती है, वो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच क्या होता है, जो आपकी कॉमर्स के बाद वाला होता है, वो दैट इज़ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. उसमें आपका सब्जेक्ट कहाँ, वर्ब कहाँ आएगी, सब्जेक्ट के बाद में. ओके. ही सेड टू मी, क्वेश्चन मार्क है बेटा, तो दैट मीन्स इट्स अ क्वेश्चन. सो आप क्या करोगे, सेड टू को किस में रिप्लेस करोगे, आस्क्ड में. जनरली हम आस्क्ड ही यूज़ करते हैं. ही आस्क्ड मी इफ़, हम मैंने आपको बताया ना अभी, क्वेश्चन मार्क आ जाए तो इफ़ और वेदर होता है. तो इफ़ मी इज़ चेंज इन टू आई, एंड सेकेंड बेटा डू डज डिड का, डू डज किस में चेंज होता है, सेकेंड फॉर्म में, और डिड जो होता है हैड प्लस वी थ्री में. सो अभी यहाँ पे डू है तो आप किस में चेंज करेंगे इसको, वर्ब टू में. इफ़ आई न्यू माई फ्रेंड की जगह क्या आ जाएगा, हिज फ्रेंड, फुल स्टॉप. नाउ सेकेंड वन, आई सेड टू हिम डज ही कम हियर, आई आस्क्ड हिम, बेटा डज आ रहा है, अगेन इट विल बी इफ़ ही. कम की जगह बेटा किस में रहता है, गो. कम चेंजेस इनटू गो. गो की सेकेंड फॉर्म क्या होती है, वेंट. Here is she replaced with there and full stop. I asked him if he went there. Full stop. Now direct speech. Third example. He said to me, "Are you going there today?" He asked me if I was. Is the is changed into was were. So if I was going there that day. Today is changed into that day. Full stop. Now fourth one, direct speech. You said to me, did you write a letter? You asked me if I had written a letter. I told you earlier also, did is change into had plus V3. Okay. Now rule number two. If the reported speech begins with who, what, which, when, where, why, how, etc., that means WH family. Okay, these are not changed. These words are not changed at all. And if or whether is not used, जहाँ पे बेटा डब्ल्यू एच फैमिली आ जाए, आप वहाँ पे कोई भी कंजंक्शन का यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. सिंपली आप कॉमर्स रिमूव करके जो डब्ल्यू एच फैमिली का वर्ड है वही लिखेंगे आप, एंड देन यू विल पुट सब्जेक्ट एंड देन वर्ब. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू पुट like who, which, WH family, then verb, then subject, it will be a question, it will remain into a question only. So first what you need to do is, don't put any conjunction, then WH family word, then subject, then verb. I hope you are clear with this. Let's have some examples over here. Now he said to her, who are you? He asked her who she was. अगर हम who was she कर देते तो वो तो फिर क्वेश्चन हो जाता है ना. So and when you are making into direct speech, you are not supposed to make it a question mark. If you are putting a question mark, it will be wrong sentence and no marks will be given to you. Now second one, he said to me, what do you want? He asked me what I wanted, full stop. Now third one, he said to you, which book did you buy? He asked you which book you had bought, full stop. Now, fourth one, I said to him, when are you coming back? I asked him, when आ गया बेटा, him आ गया. आप him के लिए क्या यूज़ करेंगे आप यहाँ पे, he. is is changed into was were, was आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. coming is changed into go, काम का go हो जाता है तो ing आ जाएगा, going back, full stop. Now E part beta, he said to me, how have you done the sum? He asked me how I, has I was changed into had, done is third form, of course it will remain like that. How I had done the sum, full stop. Don't forget to put full stop at the end of sentence when you are making it from interrogative sentence into simple one. Please use full stop there. Now, interrogative sentences, direct speech. Let's have some more examples for practice. You said to me, are you ill? You asked me if I was ill. See, if was, अगर if के बाद बेटा हम was लगाएंगे, it will not make a sense also. Okay. Second one, Nuja said to her mother, do you like to tell a story? Nuja asked her mother if she liked to tell a story, full stop. Now next sentence, you said to me, do you hear me? You asked me if I hear की बेटा सेकेंड फॉर्म होगी heard. if I heard you, क्योंकि तुमने मुझे कहा है ना, मुझे, if you hear me, do you hear me? Okay. The teacher said to me, do you know the story? The teacher asked me if I knew the story. बेटा सी द वर्ड्स, हमने डू को कहीं पे भी इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच में यूज़ नहीं किया, हमने ओमिट किया है और उसकी जगह हमने क्या रिप्लेस किया है, वर्ब को सेकेंड वर्ब का यूज़ किया है. लिसन टू द रूल बेटा, आपको रूल लर्न करना ही पड़ेगा ये. Ali said to you, are you going home today? Ali asked you if you were going home that day. Going का coming में नहीं चेंज करेंगे, कम का go में कर सकते हैं आप, लेकिन go का चेंज नहीं होगा. And today is replaced by that day full stop. She said to him, are you hiding anything from me? She asked him if he was hiding anything from her full stop. I hope you might have learned now how to change persons by getting all these three answers. You might have come to know how to change the persons and verb as. Now more examples. Let's have more examples over here. She said to me, have you seen my friend? She asked me if I had seen her friend. Because यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, she यूज़ हो रहा है, तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, her बेटा. Mother said to me, have they gone to Dhaka? Mother asked me if they haven't changed into had gone to Dhaka full stop. Kohinoor said to me, did you see me? Kohinoor asked me if I had seen her. If you have noticed, हमने did को omit करके second form का third form का use किया है, because did is changed into had plus V3. He said to me, did you go to Dhaka? He asked me if I had gone to Dhaka. See, हमने did को replace करके क्या किया, had plus V3. Now, next one. He said to me, did you go to school yesterday? He asked me if I had gone to school the previous day. Now, next one. You said to him, don't I love you more than Rahman? You asked him if you did not love him more than Rahman. Okay. बेटा आई को हमने किससे रिप्लेस किया, यू से किया है, एंड यू की जगह क्या हमने रिप्लेस किया, हिम. आई होप यू आर क्लियर विद दिस. नाउ मोर एग्जाम्पल्स ओवर हियर. आई सेड टू हिम, विल यू सी मी टुमारो? आई आस्क्ड हिम if he would see me the next day. Okay. She said to her friend, will you go home? Now she asked her friend if she would go home. Will is changed to would. अगर बेटा यहाँ पे shall होता तो भी हम would में ही रिप्लेस करते, उसे should में नहीं करते. He said to me, will you go to work? He asked me if I would go to work. Mother said to me, will you go to school? Mother asked me if I would go to school full stop. The man said to me, can you tell me the way? The man asked me if I could tell him the way. Next one. Could you play on the organ? Asked the master. The master asked the person spoken to if he could play on the organ. देखो बेटा, द मास्टर आस्क्ड whom, किसकी बात कर रहे हैं हमें पता नहीं, आस्क्ड द पर्सन स्पोकन टू. ठीक है, इफ़ ही कुड प्ले ऑन द ऑर्गन. नाउ मोर एग्जाम्पल्स आर हियर. कबीर सेड, मे आई हैव अ कप ऑफ टी? लेट्स सी बेटा. कबीर आस्क्ड इफ़, किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, कबीर इज़ हु, ही. इफ़ ही माइट हैव अ कप ऑफ टी, मे इज चेंज इनटू माइट, फुल स्टॉप. The man said to me, what is your name? The man asked me what my name was. अगर what was my name आता तो it will be question mark, कोई सेंस ही नहीं बनती वहाँ पे. That's why हम क्या करेंगे, what के बाद first of all subject and then verb, full stop. ठीक है बच्चे. Now direct speech. Rahim said to Kareem, what does your father do? Rahim asked Kareem what his father did. क्योंकि do does किस में चेंज होता है बेटा, did में. And second form is did also. He said to me, what do you want? He asked me what I wanted, हम यहाँ पे do को क्या कर देंगे, omit कर देंगे, इसलिए he asked me, I said to him, what are you doing? I asked him what he was doing. अगर what was he doing कर देते तो it will be a question again. That's why first subject and then verb. I said to him, what did she do with my book? I asked him what she had done with my book. बेटा यहाँ पे did की जगह हमने क्या किया, had किया है, और do की जगह हमने क्या किया, थर्ड फॉर्म, बिकॉज हम had से क्या करते हैं, थर्ड फॉर्म लगाते हैं, इसीलिए फुल स्टॉप. Now more examples are here. I said to him, when will you come back? I asked him when he would go back. Come is changed into go, लेकिन अगर आपको go दिखा हो तो आप change नहीं करते हैं. Okay. He said to Shirin, why do you make a noise? He asked Shirin why she make the second form होगी made. Why she made a noise. He said to you, which book do you want? He asked you which book you wanted. क्योंकि आपको क्या क्या किससे पूछ रहा है, वो you से बात कर रहा है. Mother said to me, why are you playing in the sun? Mother asked me why I was playing in the sun, full stop. The teacher said to the boys, why are you making a noise? The teacher asked the boys why they are plural in number, so helping verb would be was verb में क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा, were. They why they were making a noise, full stop. Next one, the teacher said to the boys, why have you made a noise in the class? The teacher asked the boys why they had made a noise in the class, full stop. He said to me, where do you live? He asked me where I lived, full stop. हमने यहाँ do को omit कर दिया और live की second form क्या होगी, lived, उसको use किया है. He said to me, where are you going? He asked me where I was going, full stop. I hope you are clear with how to use interrogative sentences, how to change into indirect speech. Please do the above examples, some of the examples in your fair notebook for your revision purpose, and try your exercise in practice book with pencil only. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Have a nice day.